If you want to change your MSN account password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to update your password safely and make sure you know where to go if you ever need to change it again. This is useful if you forgot your password, want to improve your account security, or just want to keep your Microsoft account protected. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account homepage. You can sign in using the same email address you use for MSN or your Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main account dashboard where you can manage all your account settings in one place. From the sidebar, find and click on the Security tab. This section is where Microsoft keeps the most important account protection options, including sign-in settings, security alerts, and password controls. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the left-hand menu because that's where this option is usually located. After you open Security, look for the option that says Manage how I sign in and click it. This area is specifically for login and authentication settings. It helps you control how you access your account and where you can update your sign-in methods. In many cases, Microsoft may ask you to verify your identity before allowing changes, so be ready to confirm with a code, email, or another security method. Once you're in the sign-in management section, click on Change Password. This will take you to the password update page. If prompted, complete any verification steps Microsoft requests. This is an important security measure because it helps make sure only you can change the password on the account. Now you'll see the password form. Type in your new password carefully and then enter it again in the confirmation box. Make sure both entries match exactly. It's also a good idea to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your MSN account stays secure. Avoid using something too easy to guess, like your name, birthday, or common words. After you've entered the new password twice, click Save. Microsoft will process the update, and your account password will be changed right away. Once that's done, use the new password the next time you sign in to MSN, Outlook, or any other Microsoft service connected to that account, and that's it. You've successfully changed your MSN account password. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.